In this daily drop, I'm going to talk a little bit more about USB-C power delivery and a solution that you might want to be considering in the future. So let's go. All right, everybody. Thank you again for being here. And this being the last episode of the week, I thought it might be a good time to sort of end this series that I have had going about USB-C power delivery. And I'm going to let it lie for a while after this one. And I am not talking about how to shoot Dutch here either. I just have this tripod set up a certain way so I can show you something. So let me just go ahead and rotate the camera. We're going to concentrate on this. This is the Fujifilm X-H2S camera, and it has something that I haven't seen on many devices and maybe is not something that is talked about very often, which is, let me just open this up here to reveal the USB-C port, which of course on this camera you can power deliver to. Same with the FX30 above me, same with the A7C2 over there, same with the X-T4 right here. That said, one of the things that you'll see on this particular camera is there's a couple of threaded components here. There's one over here that's actually for basically this cable management system that comes with it. So that will screw into the top one there. And then when your USB-C cable comes out, it can come out of here. Your HDMI cable can go through here and just hold it in place. But that's not the focus. It's this other one right here. And this one is actually designed for locking power delivery USB-C cables. And you'll see that right here. There's an actual threaded component here, a screw, and the USB-C cable. You can buy these in various lengths. There is actually another version of locking USB-C. I'm assuming that this is for computer peripherals, but when I look at my MacBook Pro and all the other stuff around me that has USB-C, it doesn't have these. So what's up with that? All right, let's see how this works. So you just go ahead. It's as simple as it looks. And we're just going to go ahead and seat that all the way in. And then it will line up directly with that threading there. And as you can see, it's in. I cannot now take that cable out, so it is secured. And if I just take that here, we can take a look at that in the Dutch position, and it is a locked USB-C power delivery cable. Now, the downside of this is, A, it's not supported by a lot of different devices, so it will be now securely connected to this particular camera, but it will not to my battery or my power brick. Well, here's a power brick. That doesn't have them. This Anchor one doesn't have it. And even previous Fujifilm cameras didn't have it, but it is something that you see here on this X-H2S. I wish camera manufacturers and also light manufacturers would do this. This is the Zhiyun Molus X100. That also has USB-C power delivery, and that should have a locking connector. It is something that is a potential standard that could be used for lighting and camera gear in our industry. The cables already exist. Manufacturers just need to put that into their particular products so that when we are seating our USB-C cables, they don't go anywhere. It's a beautiful thing as long as manufacturers actually start to use it in their products. A big kudos to Fujifilm for doing it in their latest generation of higher-end mirrorless cameras. Not sure if they're going to do that with every mirrorless camera they're doing and putting out to the market right now, but it is a welcome addition, and I will put links below to a couple of options. I bought a cheaper version for this video as a proof of concept to make sure that it worked. But Startech, whose cables I have used in the past, does make locking USB-C power delivery cables. I would probably stick with them if I were you, because at least in my opinion and my experience, they have worked well for me in the past. All right, end of the week. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.